This is my first HomePod, really my first of the Apple's attempt at a smart home. So it's a space gray HomePod Mini. Just got it, so let's go ahead and open the box itself. I'll make a cut on the bottom here. So I have a confession. I don't use Apple Music. I'm a Spotify person. I do have an iPhone, of course, but I'm really hoping that this is actually going to work with other song streaming services other than Apple. Otherwise, it might be in vain. So here we go. Look at that. It's very nice. Very, very nice feel. It's got plus and minus signs on the top so that we can adjust the volume. Bottom, we've got the new Apple Lightning connector. Box has got, let's see, it's a normal amount of stuff here. Some cardboard. We've got some perhaps instructions and of course an adapter. Now this is a bit annoying because this adapter, as you notice, this is white. The whole thing is dark gray, so that's kind of less useful. But also kind of less useful is this is going to go on a wall, probably behind a dresser. This thing, it would be a lot more useful if it was on the side, just so that I don't have to keep the dresser, that far off of the wall. Lessons learned, maybe next round, Apple. HomePod Mini setup instructions, okay. And Apple sticker, of course. Instructions are there as well. So here we go. Let's see what we can do about plugging this in and getting it to run. HomePod is now officially plugged in. You couldn't see this, but I actually had to reshoot this video because as soon as I plugged it in and turned it on, it took over my phone and it started syncing with my my iTunes account, or my Apple account, I should say, and transferred everything and set everything up. It took about 30 seconds, maybe 45 seconds of my phone being close to it, probably connected via Bluetooth, recognized it and set everything up. This was by far the easiest of the home devices that I've ever set up before. I've set up numerous Alexa, Echoes devices, and it's never been quite that easy. So, hey Siri, what is today?
It's Friday, January 8th, 2021.
It's pretty good. Hey Siri, play music.
Playing all songs shuffled.
Hey Siri, stop. So that's a song that's actually on it's probably an album that I've actually purchased a while back. So I'm assuming that it's only going to be able to stream stuff from my collection of music. All in all, though, this was a pretty easy setup, pretty smooth. The sound is magnificent, way better than any of the Echo devices that we have. So I'm really looking forward to being able to play with this.
Me girl, in fact, I see a grin. Now come in, girl. It was clear to me. You're the one. You're a massacre the fans. Damn, I think Kim Kardashian's a man. She stomped him.